Have you ever pulled a burnt cake or undercooked dinner out of your oven and wondered what went wrong? Don't worry, oven temperature problems are common and you can fix them yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to HnK Parts. Today we'll show you how to diagnose and repair a faulty oven thermostat so you can get back to perfect baking. If your oven is running too hot, too cold, or not heating at all, the thermostat could be the culprit. Common symptoms include uneven baking, food taking longer than expected, or the oven not reaching the set temperature. First, let's check if your thermostat is working. You'll need an oven thermometer for this test. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then compare the oven thermometer reading to your set temperature. If there's a big difference, your thermostat may need calibration or replacement. For gas ovens, check if the igniter is glowing and lighting the burner. If not, the problem could be with the igniter or gas supply. Always unplug your oven or turn off the circuit breaker before starting any repairs. Remove the oven's control knob and unscrew the control panel to access the thermostat. Carefully disconnect the wires from the old thermostat, unscrew it, and take it out. Install the new thermostat by reversing these steps. Secure it in place, reconnect the wires, and reattach the control panel and knob. For safety, check for any gas leaks if you have a gas oven. Use a soapy water solution on connections. Bubbles mean a leak. Clean the oven interior and inspect wiring for any signs of damage before reassembling. Plug your oven back in, set the temperature, and test with your oven thermometer. You should see accurate results and even baking. For more tips and detailed guides, visit our blog at HnKParts.com. Need a replacement thermostat, igniter, or oven parts? Shop now at HnKParts.com for genuine parts at great prices. Follow us on social media for more appliance repair tips and exclusive deals. If this video helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching.